Hi everyone! Today I will talk about how to manage product. First, click Inventory on the left sidebar. Then select Product to enter the product management page. Here you can see all products that have been synced or created. Click the plus Create Product button at the top right, in the pop-up window. First, select the platform from the drop-down menu where you want to list the product. Then choose the corresponding store. Click Select Store to enter the editing page. Enter the product name. For example, oversized unisex cotton t-shirt. Next, select the product category. For example, men clothes, tops and t-shirt. Click the plus icon to upload product images. You can drag and drop images to upload. On the right side, you can preview the product. Once completed, click Next at the top right. Enter the product description. Then click Next. Fields marked with a red asterisk are required. Select attributes such as plus size, region of origin, and material. After confirming, click Next. Click plus Add Variant. Enter color and add option values. For example, white and black. Then upload the corresponding color images. Click the plus icon again. Enter size and add option values. For example, S, M, L. If you need to fill in the GTIN code, click GTIN code. If different variants require different dimensions, click Per Variant Dimensions. Select all variants, fill in price, seller SKU, and stock. Click Apply to Selected. This will apply the values to all selected variants. After confirming everything is correct, click Next. Upload the size chart image. Select the product condition. For example, new. Enter the package length, width, and height. Enter the package weight, kilograms. Select the available shipping channels. For example, J&T Express or Ninja Van. After confirming all information is correct, click Save Product at the top right. When the system shows product saved successfully, it means the product has been successfully published. Click Back to Product List to return to the list. You can search using the product ID to confirm the new product status. From the menu, you can choose Copy Listing, Edit Product, Deactivate, or Delete Product. Find the product you want to list on another platform. Select Copy Listing. In the pop-up window, first select the platform you want to copy the listing to. For example, Lazada. Then select the corresponding store. Confirm the region. For example, MY Malaysia. Click Select Store to enter the editing page. The system will automatically fill in the original product name. Check if the category is correct. You may change it if necessary. Confirm the product images. You can add or remove images if needed. After confirming, click Next. The product description will be shown here. You may adjust the description according to the platform style. After checking, click Next. Select the brand. If the product has no brand, you can select No Brand. Fill in the required attributes, for example, material and fit type. Once completed, click Next. The system will automatically bring in the existing color and size variants. If needed, you can configure pre-order days by clicking Pre-order. If different variants require different dimensions, click Per Variant Dimensions. If you want to set a promotion period, click Promotion Period. You can use the batch input fields at the top to fill in price, special price, SKU, and stock. Click Apply to Selected. This will update all selected variants at once. After confirming all data is correct, click Next. Upload the size chart image. After checking all information, click Save Product. When you see Product saved successfully, the product has been successfully listed. If you need to update the product price, click the More icon next to the product. Select Edit Product. Go to the variants page and update the price. After confirming, click Next. Check all information and click Save Product. When the system shows Product saved successfully, it means the price has been successfully updated. Click Back to Product List to return to the list. You will see the updated price. If the product is no longer available for sale, you can deactivate it. Click the More icon next to the product. Select Deactivate. The product will be successfully deactivated. If you want to permanently remove the product, click the More icon next to the product. select Delete Product. The product will be successfully deleted. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.